Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 1.7 liter electric kettle. It heats up really fast. It's 1500 watts of power, and it can go from a minimum of 0.5 liters all the way up to a maximum of 1.7. It's really great because you can heat up your water to use it for French press or even oatmeal, but most importantly, any type of hot beverage. When it's done, you just lift it off the base, take it to where you're going to go to serve, and you bring it back to the base. It's really simple and easy to use. It's all stainless steel. It has a button here that says open. You just press it and the kettle opens. This is really great when you take your kettle to the sink. It's just one touch operation. Inside, I'm just gonna slide this up so you can see it. There's also a filter screen. And the most important part of this kettle is that it has what we call a hidden element. So the element is not directly exposed to the water that you put in the kettle. And that's really great, especially if you have high mineral content water. The minerals will not be attracted to the heating element, so it works really great and really efficiently. And you won't get any mineral buildup inside your kettle. So it's beautifully designed. It's so easy to operate. I'm just going to turn this around so you can see it. When I press it on, it turns blue right here where the water level marker is. So once you turn it on, it only takes minutes for your water to come to a boil. It's so convenient and easy to use. You can use it for hot water in the morning to make your oatmeal, your tea, your hot cocoa, or even if you need a little snack, some ramen soup. There you have it, the Cuisinart cordless 1.7 liter electric kettle. Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart cordless electric kettle. It's 1500 watts of power and it holds up to 1.7 liters of water. You'll notice in the front it has a window here. This way you can see how much water's in the kettle and if you need to refill it. The other thing that's nice about it is that when it comes to a boil, you can actually see the water boiling. This kettle has what we call an enclosed heating element. So the heating element never comes in contact with the actual water. And that's really important, especially if you have high mineral content water, because what happens is over time, if your heating element was exposed to it, it would actually stop the kettle from working. So we designed this so that never happens. Has a nice stay cool handle here and also here in the lid. You could tell it was boiling and I picked it right up. It stays cool. Has a removable filter inside. I'm not going to take that out today because it's hot. I boiled it in advance. When you turn it on, the light turns blue, and when it's done boiling, it actually shuts itself off. The other nice thing about this kettle is that it's really compact. It's a beautiful design. It's all stainless steel. It's really simple and easy to use. It swivels on the base 360 degrees. It could also be removed. You can serve your tea just like so by pouring it. You can bring it back to the base and reheat it if you prefer. So there you have it. It's the Cuisinart cordless kettle. Use it for a lot more things than just making tea. You can use it for hot cocoa, instant soups, oatmeal in the morning if you use instant oatmeal, or even any kind of other cooking tasks that you would do. There you have it, the Cuisinart kettle.
Start brewing with your KitchenAid glass tea kettle. Fill the kettle with filtered water to your desired level, taking care not to fill past the max fill line, and heat to the appropriate temperature for your tea. While the water is heating, place the tea steeper into the steeper holder and fill with loose leaf tea. 1 tablespoon per 10-ounce cup is a great starting point, or follow the recommended amount on your tea packaging. For best results, pre-wet the tea leaves with warm water before placing the steeper into the kettle. When the water has finished heating, the kettle will chime and the on-off light will stop flashing but remain lit. Twist the inner lid into the unlocked position and remove from the outer lid of the kettle. Then secure the inner lid onto the tea steeper by twisting clockwise. Secure the steeper lid assembly and twist clockwise into the locked position. Allow your tea to steep for the appropriate time as noted in the steeping chart in your use and care guide. When your tea is finished, twist the inner lid counterclockwise to the unlocked position and lift the steeper assembly from the kettle and place it back into the steeper holder. To use tea bags instead of loose leaf tea, remove any strings or tags from the tea bags and place them into the steeper. continue brewing as normal. Alternatively, remove the inner lid and place the tea bags directly into the kettle, draping the strings over the top edge of the outer lid. Secure the inner lid over the strings to suspend the tea bag in the water and continue brewing as normal. To brew blooming tea, heat the water to your desired temperature, then add tea directly into the kettle. Follow the instructions on your tea packaging for appropriate amount and steep time. When your tea is finished, remove the blossom tea with a straining spoon. Pour and enjoy a perfect cup of tea at home. From KitchenAid.